home. Today, stay at home.
Yes, and on the menu,
Yes.
we have pork chops, cutlets, whatever you want to call these.
Yes, pork chops. And we have the vegetables, mixed vegetables that we bought in SNR.
And no rice.
No rice for today's video.
Healthy.
Healthy food.
Yes. Too much holiday food.
Yes. And the weather is like this. It's been raining in here. It's so nice to stay in the terrace because it's not so hot. But it's been raining, and tomorrow if there's no electricity. Yes.
Yippee.
Kitty, guys, it's so dark you cannot see. This is life in the province. Stay at home, no electricity, and that's me. And that's me. I need to cover because I didn't wear something. And we keep this one, as you can see, we have this thing, black thing in here for the sunlight, so it's not so hot in our room. Because every afternoon it's so hot in here.
Somebody brought a party.
Yes. And Isabel is singing there.
Oh, yeah.
They're singing. Hello, Cooper! Cooper, it's raining. See, it's rainy season. It's like since we arrived from South Africa, it's been like this. We cannot do vlog outside because very windy and rainy. Yes, welcome to the Philippines, a home of a typhoon. And this is boring for you, I know, but we cannot do vlog outside. I'm just gonna show you my humble home. And that's it. This is our home. Look at that. And you can see that. I'm gonna open you the light for that. Oh, that's so nice light, right? Ooh, it's so pretty. And then that's our TV. Backdrop of the TV. It's everything like you want light. There you go. I show you the light. Look at that. It's pretty, guys, right? Like you are the one who designed for this house. It's so not so big, but it's just enough for both of us here, second floor. You see? And that's our kitchen there. Messy kitchen. Because we are cooking outside because we don't want the smell here inside. And that's our this is our bedroom. Our bedroom is, I didn't fold the bed because I just wake up. So that's our king size bed. It's a king size actually. And that's it. It's just so simple for foreigner living in here. Yes, so nice, right? But it's at least we don't pay for the rent every day. Every month, no rent paying. Like this one. And this is his office. It's a bit messy, guys. Sorry. His office in here. And we bought this chair in Mandawi foam. It's very comfy to sit every time he's working. You can see. And that's our cabinet. This one. And can see our aircon is not on today because it's so cold today actually. And this is our pine trees. And not so much stuff inside. We still didn't go to the grocery stores. So out of stock. And this is the tissue that we bought in SNR. And this is our toilet. See? It's marble toilet. Let me see that. Yeah, it's just simple, but it's just enough for 2 of us here. Right? And have lots of meat inside. The meat inside the fridge. It's like I didn't display this flower vase because of maybe some kids were gonna come and they're gonna break it, so I just keep it in there because it's, oh my god, it's so expensive. And those are drinks in there. We have the tandoy one. He likes to drink tandoy. There you go. And it's like that. Something in here. We put our stuff. That's our little thing. And this one also have a light in here. There's a light also, that thing. It's cute little house, right? Cutie. And that's for today's. He's still busy cooking there. I'm gonna show you who we followed in YouTube. Okay. This one. Oh, it's advertising. Okay. I'm gonna show you who I followed in YouTube. Oh.
Looking for great hotel prices?
You can
Plan
pass.
your perfect stay at the Pagoda. Cozy, fancy, or budget friendly. We've got it all. Book now with the Pagoda.
Gonna show you. Ta-da! Skip. Oh, who's this? Yeah. And this is the one we followed. We always watch. Since we are in Hong Kong, we always watch this guy. Yeah, Mike, that Philippines life. Yes. Always watch him since we still in Hong Kong working until we are here now in Iloilo. That's why we know some of the places, because we watch his video. And then who else we watch? It's not in here. This one, Rock and Jazz, Tigana Pablo, Lucy the Police, and Common Lie. Ta-da! And we have Jogo Wonder also. That's it. Bye-bye!